Hi, Dimitri. What a pretty peacock you are. What a pretty birdie. Oh, there, what a pretty birdie you are, Dimitri. Oh, hi, Damaris. There's the peahen. We just let her loose. We've had her for about a month now. Hi, Damaris. We got her for Dimitri. And now we're going to try eating some of her peahen eggs. And I've looked and haven't been able to find any information on eating peahen eggs. So we're going to try it out. I'm going to try a scrambled one and then possibly one over easy. So here we go into the kitchen, and I'm just going to, here we got 2 peahen eggs that I've gotten. Those are some regular eggs, so they're quite a lot bigger. We'll just set the pans here and see how this goes. So, we'll take 1 peahen egg and just crack it. Ooh, I don't know if I can hold the camera. There we go. Whoa. Now that's a big yolk in that egg. That's quite the giant egg. So we will just grab a fork here and scramble that up. Scrambled peahen egg. And ooh, that looks quite yummy. We'll just put a little bit of butter here. And, oh, there we go. A little bit of butter. And a little bit in here too. And we'll just pour that into the pan and start to scramble it. Guess we're going to turn on some toast here too. There we go. Now, just get one here going over easy. So, crack that. Ooh, look at that egg. That is something. That's looking like it's going to be pretty yummy. Scrambled peahen egg. Thanks to Damaris. Oh darn, I broke it a little bit, but still, it still looks like it's going to be quite yummy. Just turn the heat up under that a little bit. And, oh my goodness, this is almost ready. This one here. Maybe I'll just put a little bit of chives in there. A little bit of chives. Ooh, I don't even know if I'm going to be able to flip this baby. I might have to do a little bit of basting here or something. Let's see. Well, just pour a little bit of water in there. And cover that baby up. There we go. We'll do lightly basted peahen egg and scrambled. So now this is ready to go. Just flip the toast here. And, whew. Oh, there we go, my goodness. peahen scramble. And here we will have, I believe it is ready, basted peahen egg. Ooh, is that even ready? It is quite big. Oh, I think it needs another second. Maybe another splash of water. There we go. This toast is just about perfect, I think. Well, I'm going to have to try the scrambled right now while it's hot. And just see what it tastes like. Here we go. Oh my goodness. This looks like it's going to be pretty good. Mmm. Oh, that is quite delicious. Tastes pretty much the same as a chicken egg or a duck egg. But, my goodness. Look at the size of that baby. There we go. Just give that a taste here. Mmm. Well, I think this is going to feed all three of us. Mmm. Quite good. I definitely recommend it. Peahen eggs for breakfast. Anytime. Any style. Give it a try.